Keretapi Tanah Melayu Berhad has released ETS3 tickets for early booking covering the Chinese New Year and Hari Raya Aidilfitri 2026 periods, with sales starting on the 17th of November 2025 for travel up to May 2026. Tickets are available through the KITS app, KTMB website, and kiosks. KTMB has reported a strong response after selling 82,896 tickets for travel between January 1st and April 30th, 2026. Within just one day of opening sales, on the 17th of November 2025. In the festive travel run-up, about 95% of the 18,864 tickets allocated for Chinese New Year travel from February 15th to 20th has already been snapped up. As of the 5th of January 2026 Hari Raya bookings, 24% of the 31,440 tickets allocated for March has been sold. One-way Kuala Lumpur Johor Bahru ETS fares start from RM82 in economy and about RM150 to RM160 in business class. KTMB has launched a special Chinese New Year excursion train service, RTSM railway to See Malaysia, between KL Sentral and Padang Besar in February. The service was intended as an alternative travel option for those who missed out on standard ETS tickets. The special service would operate on February 13, 14, 16, and 17, with 1,344 tickets available for sale, starting Monday, January 12, 2026. One-way fares start from RM70 for the superior class and RM90 for superior class sleeper. Depart from KL Central Station at 10:30 p.m. and arrive in Padang Besar at 7:28 a.m. the next day for journeys on February 13th and 16th. For travel on February 14th and 17th. The service from Padang Besar to KL Central would depart at 10 p.m. and arrive at 6:44 a.m. the next day. The train would stop at 11 key stations, including Sungai Buloh, Tanjung Malim, Camper, Beta Gajah, Ipoh, Kuala Kangsar, Taiping, Sungai Petani, Alor Cedar, and Arau, before terminating at Padang Besar.